1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. From 21 to 30, what we have to do is we have to add 1 to 9 numbers in 20, and 30 would be a very different number. So here we start. 21, 20 and 1 is 21, 22 is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now here 30 is 30. Now we will add 1 to 9 numbers till 39. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Again, 40 is a different number, and here we will add 1 to 9 numbers, and 50 will be again something new. Here we start. 41, which is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. In 50, we are going to add again 1 to 9 numbers. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. In 60, we are going to add 1 to 9 number, and 70 will be a different one. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Here we added in 60 plus 10. 60 is 60 and 10 is this. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. And we are going to add in 60 11 to 19 till 71 to 79. Here we start. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80 is 4 into 20, which is equal to 80. And now we are going to add 1 to 9 in 80. Like 4 into 20 plus 1, 4 into 20 plus 2. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Exactly. After D comes 10. This. That will be 4 into 20 plus 10, which is equal to 90. And then we will be adding 90 plus 11 till 19 to make 91 to 99. Here we begin. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Pronounce 100 only as 100. It's nothing else but 100. So here we end up our counting from 1 to 100. 1 à 100.